Assalamu alaikum dear students. Our today's topic is properties of relation. As you already know, in database management system, a table is also called a relation. Today we will discuss properties of relation in detail. There are four main properties of a relation or a table in database management system. First property is no duplicate row exists. Second is order of rows is insignificant. Third is order of column is insignificant. Fourth property is columns or attributes are elemental or atomic. Now we will discuss these properties in detail. First property is no duplicate row exists. No two rows can be identical or same. It means that two or more identical rows or tuples cannot exist in a relation. Each row in a relation must be unique. For example, in a student relation, there cannot be two records or rows for the same student. Uniqueness in a relation is granted by assigning the primary key for each relation. Second property is order of rows is insignificant. A relation is defined as a set of rows or tuples. The order of rows in a relation is not important or significant. Row ordering is not the part of relation definition. Many logical orders can be specified on a relation. For example, rows in a student relation could be logically ordered by value of roll number, name, marks, or some other attributes. Third property is order of column is insignificant. Like rows of a relation, the definition of relation does not specify any order of attributes. Each attribute of a relation has a unique name. The attributes are always referenced by name, not by position or column number in the relation. The attributes or columns of a relation may be interchanged. Fourth property of a relation is columns or attributes are all elemental or atomic. A value that cannot be further divided is called atomic value. According to this property of relation, each cell of a relation contains only one value. For example, in a student relation, we must write a single telephone number for a student in one cell. More than one telephone number separated by commas is not allowed. Similarly, there should be three attributes for student name such as first name, middle name and last name. Now we will discuss what is view in database. Presentation of data for user is known as data view. By using this feature of database management system, same data of database can be viewed in different ways or formats. The data from several relations or tables of database can be retrieved and presented to user as one relation. A view is also known as virtual table. Purpose of using views. Basic purpose of using views is to hide confidential data of database from unauthorized or illegal users. Only the particular data of database is presented to the users according to their specific needs. Therefore, views provide a level of data security. Creating views. Views are created by using SQL in powerful data. It is SQL. SQL stands for Structured Query Language. It is a powerful database language. The create view command of SQL Structured Query Language is used to create a view. As in this figure, you can see we have used a create view command. Create view student mail data as select roll number, name, address from student where gender is equal to male. This command will select roll number, name, address from student table where gender is equal to male. So today we have discussed properties of relation. There are four main properties of relation, and we have discussed what is view and how views are created in database management system. Views are created using SQL. SQL is a structured query language. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.